the life hack of using old school Vicks Vaporub for like inches lost. This is not a permanent fix by all means, guys. This is just a quick fix life hack. So you guys have seen me do this video before, and I used the Preparation H, but it had the Biodyne in it, and that went ahead and that helps you lose a couple inches overnight. And I know that one is kind of hard to find, so I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. So what you're going to need is just some classic Vicks Vaporub, some plastic wrap, and I'm going to go ahead and use a sweatband to wrap myself. So I'm going to rub it all in and sleep overnight with it. Before we start, I want to go ahead and give myself a quick measurement. I am a little bloated. It's about 8:30 at night, so after a day of eating and everything, and I am just about the end of my period, so you know. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and measure. And we are at about, oh goodness, my nails, sorry. We are about 34 inches, okay? I'm gonna bring it down to my belly button just so I could have a starting mark. So 36 at the belly button, okay? So everybody, I don't want no one accusing me of cheating, okay? So, I wish I had some gloves, but. So we're gonna go ahead, just plain old Vicks, and we're gonna take a good amount here, okay? Make sure we get a generous amount. So I'm rubbing it all over my stomach. Whew. Oh, this is pungent. I do have some excess skin, so be kind, because nobody wants to show off their least flattering body parts, but we friends here, okay? So rubbing it all over the pancita, all over the love handles, up my back a little bit. All right, whew. My sinuses will be clear. We're gonna go ahead and take the saran wrap. Whew. And we are going to wrap, girl. Let's just, it's hard for me because of the skin hang. This actually sticks really well just because of the, how much Vaporub. I'm gonna wrap it real tight, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and take my Sweet Sweatband. Look, I'm not going to tell you this is going to be comfortable overnight, because it's really not going to be. But nonetheless, it's one of those things you just go ahead and you just work with. Okay, so we are all wrapped up, good to go. You can see I got everything all on. Guys, disclaimer, this is a temporary fix. This is by no means to replace any weight loss program, any, you know, making better choices on your eating regimen. This is just like, you got somewhere to go. You might want to just, you know, drop a couple inches overnight just to look good for, you know, the night. This is what you got to do. Okay, quick fix. So, all right, we're going to go ahead. We're going to sleep on it. I will see you guys in the morning, and we will see, okay? What works? Does this work? Is this a cheap fix? Let's see what's going on. All right, guys, good morning. It is now the next day. It's 7:05. So let's go ahead and see how this came out. I didn't have a reaction or anything to it. When I first put the Vicks on, you know, you just feel like all the, your skin felt real tingly because of all the like menthol or whatever. I'm just gonna use some cuticle trimmers to get it off. Oh, this may not work. Yeah, my skin does feel a little itchy. Ooh. All right. Yeah, it feels a little itchy, not gonna lie. I feel like I can tell a difference already. Yeah, I definitely feel like I can tell a difference. So, let's see. We're gonna go ahead and measure. We did 2 measuring points yesterday. I did one right above at like the thinnest part of my body, which was at my waist. Damn. So yesterday that was 35. It's 32 and a half right now. Holy shit. Okay. And then was right at my belly button was 36. Oh shit, 34 and a half. Wow, so what did I say this? It's still early for me to do the math. So what did I say? This was 35 yesterday. It's 32, so that was 3 inches right here. And 2 inches right here, so 5 inches overnight. That's pretty crazy. I think that was more than a half a day or so. But yeah, here is the way it looks now. Alright guys, if you like these types of videos, do not forget to subscribe, and I will check you on the next one.